So what's going on today, friends? I'm thinking, yes, I still have diabetes. I'm thinking, wow, my numbers are good. I've been eating low carb, eating only 30 carbs per day. And so I thought, oh, well, maybe I should try eating a Rice Krispies bar because they're supposed to be healthy. And my blood sugar didn't go up over 20 points. It was under 140. So then the next time I'm thinking, OMG, maybe I can try a piece of this cake. So I test and it went up to 250. So thinking that, you can cure yourself and all of a sudden, it's a miracle. I do believe in miracles, that you no longer have diabetes. You still have it. You always will have it. You can control it. One of the things you can't control in your life. So don't think, well, my numbers are good and I can cheat once in a while, because there's no way that you can ever eat that big piece of chocolate cake again. Unless you want to shoot yourself up with meds. I choose not to do that. But if my numbers do go up, I know that meds is always there. Insulin and metformin are the safest meds to take. So it's a good day, even if I can't eat that chocolate cake. All right, bye-bye.